Right, great. So from what we've done so far, we ran the double L command and we got this. I told you that any file that starts with a dash means it's a regular file. If it starts with a D, it means it's a directory. This is a directory, especially if it has a slash after it. Excuse me. Once you see a dash at the end of it, it's a directory, okay? If sometimes if it doesn't have it, it's a file. I think that's one of the major difference between a folder and a file. A folder is also called directory in Linux. Oh my God. This is just too soon. All right, so this is one of the difference between a folder and a file, okay? So folders will start with slash, okay? Will end with a slash, and a normal file will not, okay? So there is a way Linux identify executable files, for files that can run on its own. For instance, there's a location I will go to now. Please, the name of the location is /bin. Okay, it's called /bin. In some people's computer is /usr/bin. Okay, there is a directory on your computer that ends with /bin, or you will see /usr/bin, which the USR represents user. Okay, now most of the commands you type, I've already told you before, they are binaries, they are applications, they are programs, simple binary programs or executables rather. So watch what I will do. I will just cd, okay, slash. See, I cd'd into /bin. Did you see that? So if I type pwd, can you see where I am? Okay, so type ls. You're going to see a lot of things. Now, did you notice that all these things you are seeing here, some of them are the things you usually type. Did you see mkdir used to create a folder? Did you see who? Who am I? Which? What is? Where is? wget? All these things are binaries. In other words, all these things are executables. They can be installed. They come together with your operating system. Some of them are installed manually by the user. Some of them are pre-installed when the OS was being packaged. For instance, you cannot see some machines, you will see tree. Like I used to explain to you all before, there's an application called tree, which we used to show you subfolders in a directory, right? Now, if you notice that application, it's not here currently. Just like on your computer, in your computer system in Windows, right? For every one of you, in your computer system in Windows, if you click this and go to this, and let me show you something, go to your C drive. Can you see your C drive? If you come here, and you usually see program files, right? If you open this, can you see this? It shows you where the files for the programs you installed on your computer are currently located. Is it not true? And do you remember, if you try it, like let's say for instance, there's this application I use in screenshotting. If I press print screen on my keyboard, it's going to show me a cursor I can use to capture screen. Maybe I want to capture this section. I'll just capture it like this. Did you see? If I want to edit it, I'll click on open image in editor. You see, that thing I captured, see it here. So if I want to teach you something, I can just use this to explain something to you. You see, if I want to explain, I can just come here and say, this is my folder. Supposing I'm creating a video tutorial, So this is the way I would have done it. You understand? So I did all this. This is an application called GreenShots. So I used it to capture the screen, and I'm editing it. You understand? Good. Now, let's close this thing because that's not what I'm teaching you guys. If I open this GreenShots application here, right? Did you notice there's something called exe, greenshots.exe? That's telling you it's an executable file, right? Now, in your PC local disk C program files, this file here, they are part of the executable support files, right? That came with this application. If I mistakenly delete this file, Eba, if I delete this, there is 90% or 99% possibility that this application will no longer work again. In fact, the truth is it won't work. Even if this is the only file I deleted here,